word vain means vain. This word means fruitless or failing to produce the result that you want. For example, they made a vain attempt to convince the jury. Second homophone, vein, means a blood vessel in your body. For example, the nurse found a vein in his arm. Now its third homophone is vane, V-A-N-E, which means a weather indicator. For example, the weather vane showed the direction of wind. Its fourth homophone, W-A-N-E, means to decrease gradually. For example, her interest in the game began to wane. Now our second word is rain. Now this rain, everybody knows about it. This rain means water dropping from the clouds. For example, it is raining heavily today. Its second homophone is R-E-I-G-N, rain. Now this reign means rule of a king or a queen. For example, Queen Victoria's reign lasted many years. Now its third homophone is rein, R-E-I-N. It means a strap that is used to control a horse. For example, the rider pulled the rein very gently. Now our third word is pair. Now this word P-A-I-R means two things together or a couple of things. For example, I bought a pair of shoes. And P-A-R-E, pair. This pair means to trim or cut away something. For example, pare the vegetable before cooking. Now our fourth word is cite. Now this word C-I-T-E, cite, means to quote or mention something or someone. For example, the student cited the author. Its homophone S-I-T-E, cite, means a place or a location. For example, the school was built on a new site. Its third homophone S-I-G-H-T, sight, means ability to see or a view. For example, his grandfather lost his sight a few years ago. Now our fifth word is incite. Now this word I-N-C-I-T-E, incite, means to provoke someone. For example, the speech incited the crowd. Now its homophone insight means deep understanding. For example, this book gives a valuable insight into human behavior. Its third homophone in space sight means visible. For example, the ship is finally in sight.